Back at you again. We got a 2003 Buick Century. We took the motor out. I didn't film it, but I'm going to film it out, and then I'm going to film it, putting it back in and putting it back together. This is a 3.1 V6. Got the motor out. It's leaking a lot of oil.
I'm gonna bring that pressure washer. You think? Clean it.
Nah, because it's open, and if you get the wire loom wet, you might have more problems. At least we know you don't have no problem with the check engine light and all that. But then you wet it down, you put it back together. Then you gotta have wire. You have water in the wire harness. That's gonna be grounding out stuff. No, put this back together. Finish the job, put it back together. And if you want to clean it while the motor in and all the wires connected. But I wouldn't mess with it. And somebody put some silicone on the exhaust. Gotta,
Taking off.
yeah. Hmm. I mean, if you want to clean the frame, stuff you could clean without touching the wires.
Now, where that clip go to that to this box? He fell down somewhere. I heard it. Ding, ding.